My name's Sol Cesary. I'm the owner and director of Lilydale Smash Repairs. I've been in the panel industry for over 40 years, qualified panel beater. The main quality in a workshop is teamwork. We take pride in our workmanship and look after every customer that comes through the door. What my customers like about us is the friendly environment we have here. As soon as they walk in the door, they just feel at home. How do you attract customers? Is do the right thing, word gets around, and on social media we get recommendations every week. Best way to innovate is keep up with the times, listen to a lot of advice that people can give you, and keeping an open mind. 90% of our customers are repeat customers, very loyal, so I'm loyal to them. That's a really great thing. It's not every day the customers have accidents. We assist them in making a claim step by step, which is very helpful. In running a business, you need to have goals and succeed those goals. Quality workmanship is a must. Attitude towards customers, attitude towards your staff, having passion and taking pride in what you do, and you'll succeed in business.